over here at RC Excitement in Fitchburg, Mass, with the Falcon Boyz crew, and we're gonna do some bash competition out here. Never been here. It's a pretty cool spot. Swirl, you know they're starting the competition. Let's go.
And then 1 o'clock I'm going to swap these kicker ramps out. And I have the launch ramps, and then we'll do distance. And we'll see who can make it before.
The first jump is
All right.
All right, go for it.
I got 2, no way.
Hey, Tim.
Where's your backflip?
Yo! You're supposed to do a backflip. You want to try again?
I'm gonna redo.
Oh, that's fine.
Oh, front wheel drive only. Oh no.
No gas, all brakes.
Front wheel drive. It comes built by Rob.
Now we got raw RC. Yeah, see, he's like, I don't think I need all that speed. Look at that. Testing the wind, testing the wind. Here we go. 1.
Do those count?
Not even giving him the 4. Here we go.
Here goes.
Big 1. Nice flat wheel at the end.
All right.
All right. Up there. Mikey's RC front.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Here we go. Mikey's RC front. Either stand up there or stand right to the side. And here he
Here
goes.
he comes.
He's going for it.
What? What? Wow. How many? That was nuts.
XRT. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
He took me out last time. 2.5. Here we go. Let's see. 1, 2. Half.
He landed it. Other row.
Let's see. He's doing it. 1, 2.
Nice.
There you go.
Oh. Oh. Ouch. Big Mike. Look at that thing. Slap.
All right. Hold on.
Or sentence.
Hold on.
Oh. Oh.
That was that guy right there.
Yes. Yeah.
That was a big
Thanks. Got one. Ah, Jesus.
Oh,
That was dangerous.
All right, here we go. Back to the rail.
Oh, Jesus.
let's go! Give it up for her!
Got nothing. All right, here we go. Back to the rail.
Usually what I
I do.
Landed it.
You pulled a me.
Yes, he did,
My
Mike. Yes.
camera is ready every time you drive, huh?
I close my eyes and hope for the best.
Yeah. I didn't realize you were gonna come straight at me, but I bet the video looks cool. Start you fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, look at that height.
Hey, I'm about to say don't hit me again.
Almost.
There you go. Oh, goodness, he's an animal. That's why I want you to come.
That's the first of its kind right there. I'll go right behind you.
Damn, that's way up there. They got it. Hey. Yeah. You guys so. Oh, he got it good. Kick it.
Yeah.
Oh. Nice one. That's nice.
Thanks.
Oh no, ride the rails. Ride the rails.
Grinding.
Yep.
Ride the rails.
You got to wait, you about to land on me.
Clear the way.
Yep.
Long jump competition starting.
4 names at a time. So you're all gonna go up in order, staged on the side. That way, we can just go 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess 1 shot.
I'm gonna lose a.
As far as you can.
Sorry.
Farthest distance I'm gonna mark with the paint can. It is where you land. All right, not where you bounce, not where you flip, not where your cartwheel ends, where your tires land on the ground. All right.
So if I pick it up and move,
Sure,
The doit.
you Run faster than me.
Jesus.
He's landing in a doit.
have to sit downhill.
There you go.
Well, what are you doing?
There goes Mikey. Oh, too much. Too much. Quad. All right, here we go. Nice. Oh, yeah. There we go. Nice. That's good.
That was max.
That was good. Yep. Oh. Did I get it or no?
Yeah.
Did I get it or no?
Yeah, you got it.
All right,
That
nice.
was nice.
Thanks.
All right. Oh, stylish with the flip too. Nice bounce. Over.
Go! Nope.
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 Us people of the Falcon.
Yeah, exactly.
The people of the
In
Falcon.
first
The birds
place.
of the Falcon.
Ian. There he is. Look at him. In second place, by literally, is
PKRC.
PK. PK.
PK.
In third place. He's back at the backflip. Corey Snyder.
What's up?
I was built to last when the waves are waving. I could change the past, but all I'm achieving got my foot
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirst. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop me.
Ow. Oh my god, double whammy. Double whammy.
That was cool. You flipped before you got to the...
Shout out to RC Excitement here in Fitchburg, Mass. This hobby shop and this complex is awesome. They got all sorts of stuff here. Indoor tracks, outdoor tracks. They got crawlers. They got a indoor 10 scale track. It's a pretty awesome spot. So if you guys are into that, or if you're in the New England area, definitely be sure to stop by here and check that out. So really not much broke. Just a rod end kind of got unscrewed on there, on that Kraton back in the back. This thing held up and this thing did too. I didn't get any footage of this, but did some bashing there. The Falcon Boyz did a great job out there. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content just like this, as well as reviews and all sorts of stuff. So thanks for watching. Take it easy.